Dear President Vladimir Putin, I'm so sorry that I was not your mother. If I was your mother, you would have been so loved, held in the arms of joyous life. Never would the stories plight the world unfurled before our eyes, a pure demise of nations sitting peaceful under the night sky. If I was your mother, the world would have been warm. So much laughter and joy.